If you love grilling and want something that's both powerful and easy to use, you've probably been on the lookout for a grill that can handle it all without making things too complicated. And so, the Broil King Baron Pro 490 is one of those grills that's designed to do it all. It's versatile, reliable, and built to deliver solid performance, while still looking great in your backyard. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be breaking down everything that you need to know about the Broil King Baron Pro 490. We'll go over its standout features, cooking performance, some pros and cons, and whether it's a grill that's worth adding to your backyard setup. And if at any point you're interested in checking it out for yourself, I've included an affiliate link in the description that might help you save a bit on your purchase. That said, let's jump right into it. Alright, so the Broil King has been known for making solid, reliable grills that are built to last, and the Baron Pro 490 is no different. It's part of their Baron lineup, designed to make grilling simple and efficient without sacrificing performance. Whether you're flipping burgers, searing steaks, or roasting a chicken on the rotisserie, this grill is all about versatility and is made to handle just about any backyard cooking you've got planned. Plus, with features like stainless steel cooking grids and fold-down side shelves, it's practical and easy to use for both beginners and seasoned grillers. Now, what makes the Broil King Baron Pro 490 stand out? First off, it's built to handle just about anything you throw at it, as this grill combines durability with versatility, starting with a cast aluminum cookbox and stainless steel components that are made to last. On top of that, it comes with 460 square inches of primary cooking area, plus a warming rack, giving you plenty of room to grill for the entire family or a group of friends. The stainless steel cooking grids are heavy duty and retain heat well, which is perfect for getting those beautiful sear marks on your steaks or chops. And one of the standout features here is their burner system. It has 4 dual-tube stainless steel burners that distribute heat evenly over the entire surface. That means no frustrating cold spots or uneven cooking. It's all about consistency. On top of that, the grill includes a rotisserie burner for slow roasting, which is a great option if you're looking to switch things up and try something new. And then there are the little touches that actually make a big difference, like the side shelves are foldable, which is perfect if you're working with limited space on your patio. And there are tool hooks built in, so everything you need is within arm's reach. And speaking of convenience, the grease management system is also well thought out, making the cleanup less of a chore, which, let's be honest, is always a win. So when you put it all together, the Baron Pro 490 offers a reliable grilling experience that's as enjoyable to use as it is functional. That being said, let's get into the pricing and warranty, because let's be honest, this is where a lot of decisions actually happen. Right now, the Broil King Baron Pro 490 is available on Barbecue Guys for $999 with free shipping, which is always great for something this size. Now, if you prefer a natural gas setup instead of a propane, you can upgrade it to the natural gas model for just an extra $60. This option connects directly to your home's gas line, which is super convenient if you already have that kind of setup. On the other hand, the propane version offers flexibility if you want something portable that works with refillable propane tanks. Either way though, both versions come with the same great features. It's just about what fits your space and grilling style better. And if $999 feels like a lot to pay up front, Barbecue Guys makes it easier with financing through a firm, where you can spread out your payments starting at just $87 per month, which is pretty manageable if you're budgeting for a premium grill like this. And as for the warranty, Broil King backs this grill up with a lifetime warranty on the cookbox and 15 years on parts and paint, which gives you solid peace of mind that this investment will last. And if you want even more coverage, Barbecue Guys lets you extend the warranty for an additional cost. Definitely something to think about if you're planning to use this grill for years to come. And so if this sounds like the right fit for you, I've included an affiliate link in the description down below. It'll take you straight to Barbecue Guys, where you can check out all the details and even see if there are any extra promotions or gifts with your purchase. Okay, so now when it comes to using the Broil King Baron Pro 490, most people agree it's a dependable, solid performer. Whether you're searing steaks, flipping burgers, or slow roasting a chicken on the rotisserie, it consistently delivers great results. The dual-tube burners heat up quickly and distribute heat evenly, so you don't have to deal with annoying hot spots or uneven cooking. Plus, the stainless steel cooking grids hold heat really well, making it easy to get those perfect sear marks every time. It's the kind of grill that's designed to make your life easier, giving you reliable performance without the hassle. Now, the grill's design adds to the overall experience. With 460 square inches of cooking space, plus a warming rack, you have plenty of room to cook for family or friends. And those foldable side shelves are super convenient for prepping without taking up too much space on your patio. The built-in tool hooks are another helpful touch, as they keep everything handy so you're not scrambling for tongues or spatulas mid-cook. On the flip side though, some users have pointed out that setting up the Broil King Baron Pro 490 can be a bit time-consuming. While the instructions are straightforward, it might take a little patience, especially if you're not used to putting grills together. But once you've got it all set up, it's rock solid and built to last. So it's a one-and-done effort that pays off in the long run. Another thing is the grease management system. It works well for the most part, but if you're cooking something super greasy, like a rack of ribs or fatty cuts of meat, it can fill up faster than expected. It's not a major issue, but it's something to stay on top of during longer cooks. Overall, the Broil King Baron Pro 490 offers a great mix of performance, versatility, and ease of use. While there are a couple of small things to keep in mind, they're nothing that should hold you back. And so, if you're looking for a reliable grill that's practical, well-built, and delivers consistently great results, this one is definitely worth having in your backyard. So wrapping up this review, if you're wondering whether the Broil King Baron Pro 490 is worth it, I'd say it's a great choice for anyone looking for a grill that balances performance, durability, and versatility. This grill is built to last, with its solid construction and offers features like even heat distribution, a spacious cooking area, and a rotisserie burner that make backyard cooking both easy and enjoyable. So whether you've been grilling for years, or you're just starting out, the Baron Pro 490 has everything you need to make outside cooking simple and enjoyable. It's dependable, versatile, and delivers great results, making it a solid choice for anyone who wants to step up their backyard cooking without overcomplicating things. Anyway, that's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. And as a quick reminder, if this sounds like the perfect addition to your backyard, I've got an affiliate link in the description down below. It'll take you straight to the Barbecue Guys website page, where you might even be able to grab yourself an extra discount. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.